Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process how to fix Optimum remote volume not working. Okay. So guys, if you are facing this issue, don't worry. We are going to solve this issue by each step. First of all, check the batteries. Open the battery compartment cover and remove the old battery. And then check for the corrosion or damage on the old battery. Okay. And if damage is corroded, replace with new battery and insert the new battery and matching the positive and negative end with the correct polarity. Okay, so this is the way you can check your battery and add a new battery and then start your remote. Okay, secondly, check the TV volume setting. First of all, press the volume up button, ensure not on lowest or mute. Okay, and then look for the on-screen display or listen for volume changes. If volume is low or muted, press the volume up multiple times. Okay. So third step is repair the remote. How to do this? Press the home button on your Optimum remote and navigate to the setting and select remote. Then choose the option to repair the Optimum solution, Optimum remote. Before clicking the pair remote, hold down the 7 and 9. Okay. 7 and 9 buttons simultaneously for about 10 seconds to enter the pairing mode. Okay. And after holding the button, click the remote control and place the remote close to the Optimum receiver to establish a connection. And then if the pairing process is unsuccessful, then hold the 7 and 9 button against for the at least 5 seconds. Then press the X or home button to exit the pairing screen. Okay. Then you can reset the Optimum remote. Simultaneously hold the 7 and 9 button for a few seconds and let go the button and then press the power button to attempt reset. Try using a remote again with your cable box to see if the functionality has been restored. If all of these steps is still not working for you, you can contact the Optimum support. Like click on this, go to Optimum support website and ask for them whatever kind of help you need. Okay. So this is the all step. Thanks guys. Have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.